The scan on the rear quarter panel looks good.
Agreed. All measurements are within tolerance.
Keep an eye on the flow rate right here.
Looks stable. Gloss is outstanding on the rear quarter.
The alignment looks spot on.
Yes, the robotics handled the micro adjustments perfectly. Look at the torque readings here.
Rework on the panel gap is complete, measures 0.03.
Torque settings confirmed on the alloy wheels. We are clear for the next stage.
Check the alignment on the rear quarter panel.
Looks good from here. Tolerance is within spec.
Sensor calibration sequence complete. All diagnostics clear.
Confirmed. Uploading final validation data.
Approaching peak torque now.
Data stream confirms stability is nominal.
All parameters are within tolerance here.
Panel gaps are perfect. Ready for sign-off.
Reaching edge. Audio features the sounds of electric transport motors whirring and humming as they move, accompanied.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Keep it straight. Watch your spacing now and hold it right there. You're good. We need to clear space on lane 5 before the next batch arrives.
I've dispatched the next carrier. Should be clear in 10 minutes.
Scan complete, all checks passed. Stamped and approved.
Clear the gate.
Confirmed. Next in line. Confirmed. Cleared for dispatch.
count is accurate. We are clear for the final shutdown.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the sequence.
Check the manifest against the entry time code here. It's off by 3 minutes.
That violates the staging protocol. Flag it for audit.
The volume for the dark blue model is exceeding targets by 15%.
Excellent. And the efficiency metrics look solid as well.
All readings are stable. The chassis stress test shows optimal performance.
I concur. We can proceed with the final phase of diagnostics.
The line status is nominal. We just completed the shipment batch. Check the specs here.
All right. What about the robotic calibration?
Energy consumption is stable across all metrics.
Good. And the air filtration levels?
Everything is well within parameters. The new filters are working efficiently.
Quality metrics on the dark blue SUV line are dipping slightly in Sector 3.
I see that. Check the supplier data for the last 24 hours.
All systems are green for the dark blue run.
Confirmed. The cells are fully synchronized. Readiness check complete.
Sensor synchronization holding steady at 98%.
Acknowledged. Initiating full system calibration and restart now. Everything looks nominal.
Confirmed. All modules reporting green.
Check the torque curve on the rear axle. Ramping up stabilization at 80 kb/h. Looks good.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Easy now, keep coming. And stop right there.
Clear on the right.
All systems green, convoys a go. Manifest confirmed. Clear to roll. Have a safe trip.
Quality check complete on batch 47. All parameters green for shipment.
Looks good. Proceed with release.
Check the alignment on this hub. It looks slightly off.
Okay, I'm running the diagnostic now. The tolerance seems acceptable.
All utilities showing offline status. Verify sequence 34.
Sequence verified. Ready for final lockout.
We need to adjust the schedule for the next shift to accommodate the delay in chassis delivery.
Agreed. The current timeline.
Pay close attention to the panel alignment here.
This cutaway shows the new brake assembly. The tolerances are tighter now.
How does that affect the installation time?
The energy balance looks stable across all metrics.
Yes, the thermal imaging confirms optimal distribution.
Excellent. Final review complete.
Check the chassis integrity report here. It looks good.
Yes, fully compliant. Proceed with the sign-off.
Control, we are clear. The final sweep is complete and the site is secure.